In this video, we will talk about the creep testing machine. This is the creep testing machine which consists of the test section which is having the transparent cover. This is the thermometer and this is the digital indicator. This is the arm. This is the weight hanger. These are the various weights we are provided. These are the cool packs and these are the test specimen. And this creep testing machine is used to measure the creep of the different material. For that you have to place the test specimen behind this section between the boards, and the deflection is shown with this digital indicator, and the temperature inside this test section is given with the help of this thermometer. You have to place the weight on this weight hanger, the 100 gram weight, 500 gram and 200 gram weight, and take the reading of the deflection after 10 minutes. Now we will show you how to fix the specimen in this creep testing machine. You have to first remove this transparent cover. After that you have to remove these two bolts and you have to fix the specimen. And you have to make sure before fixing the specimen in the test section, you have to remove this digital indicator so that it will not get damaged. Fix this sample with using this bolt, and if you have to lift the arm to place this specimen at the place. Now we have fixed this specimen. Now you have to place the cover. After placing the cover, you have to remove this cover and place this ice cool pack in the test section. Then place this cover. Then you have to place the digital indicator for the reading. After that, on this digital indicator, as you can see, it is 0. Now you have to place the weight over the on the weight hanger. As you can see, I am placing the 100 gram weight on this weight hanger. As you can see, it will take some time for the reading to change for the deflection. Now first of all, you have to also see the initial temperature reading. As you can see, it is near about 20. Then I am placing the 100 gram more weight on the weight hanger. As you can see, the reading is changing. The deflection is taking place in the material we have used. And after 10 seconds, you have again checked the reading of the temperature and the deflection. And there is the time at which the specimen which on this cut down. And this is a time consuming process. So you have to take the reading after 10 minutes interval. And after that you have to take the various reading at different temperature, and you can see the effect of the temperature on the sample also.